Welcome to our router showdown between the TP-Link Archer A6 and the Archer X3000. We'll evaluate four vital aspects: wireless capabilities, security features, hardware specifications, and software functionalities to assist you in selecting the ideal router. Wireless. The Archer A6 operates on Wi-Fi standards, offering AX1200 speeds with 867 Mbps on the 5G band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4G band. On the other hand, the Archer AX3000 boasts Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering AX3000 speeds with 2402 Mbps on the 500 speeds and the 500 MHz. Both routers support beamforming technology to enhance signal coverage. Security. Both routers provide robust security features such as spy firewall, access control, and VPN server support. However, the Archer AX3000 enhances security with UPA-free encryption and a broader array of VPN server options. Both routers also support guest networks and parental controls for added security and control over your network. Hardware. While the Archer A6 comes equipped with a dual-core CPU and standard gigabit LAN ports, the Archer AX3000 steps up the hardware game with a more powerful processor and a higher capacity 1 port, ensuring smoother performance for bandwidth-intensive tasks. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like Ethernet and IP6 and offer management through the Tether app and web interface. The Archer AX3000 stands out with its support for EasyMesh and OneMesh technologies, enabling seamless mesh networking and flexible network expansion. Additionally, it offers a broader range of VPN client options for enhanced connectivity and privacy. In summary, while the Archer A6 is a reliable option with decent performance and essential features, the Archer AX3000 takes it up a notch with Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security enhancements, powerful hardware, and comprehensive software support. If you're looking for future-proofing and top-tier performance, the Archer AX3000 is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next showdown.